Hello, this is the grow tent that I have. It's 4 feet wide, 4 feet in length, and then height it is I think 6.5 feet to 7 feet, something like that. Let me show you indoors. So indoors it looks something amazing like that. I like to organize everything which in shelves so that I can maximize the growing space. You also get to grow a lot more plants if you can grow them vertically like that. Let me show you how I organize them in shelves. So you can see in shelves, um, this is a better example. I can At the bottom of the shelf are these lights. I don't know if you can see my hand. Yeah, these are the lights, and so they and like they're for the plants. So doesn't matter outside is raining, no light, sunlight, whatever the conditions, this works well for the plants. You give them consistent light conditions, winter, summer, anything like that. And so that's on the bottom of the shelf, but on the top of the shelf I have this liner, and that basically prevents like from any water dripping down into the lights. And I also have, and on top of that liner I have this plastic trays. So that's just for added security. Like together they give you more safety, that less the chances that any water will drip down into the lights would be very less, because there is a liner, there is also a tray that collects water. um Also, the most of the media that I use, this plants like sphagnum moss, which it's like soaks water very quickly, and that is why when I put like lots of pots together, I can just spray them with spray them with water, and I don't have to like water each pot individually. That saves me a lot of time in like watering the plants. It only takes me a minute to water all the plants, um, a minute or so, which is great. So then I can grow more plants. What else we have? So in the tent I also have like these fans. Like you can see there is one on the top, one on the bottom here, and this is just for because there is so much humidity in the tent. It helps with the circulation, avoids the stuff like rot or fungus with the plants. There is also a humidifier down here, so in case the humidity goes too low, this takes care of it. These are all automated, and these are all like connected to electric outlets via Wi-Fi switches, and I can control those Wi-Fi switches from the phone, which is very nice to control that. So I don't have to go in like corners and like try to get to a switch. I can do it off through my phone, and you can schedule it as much as time as you want. Like you want this hour to be off, that hour to be on, and you can do a whole lot with it. Play with it basically. This is mostly that I have. There are also couple of, there is a humidity stat, you can say. It measures the humidity, and like on my phone I can check like how much is the humidity in the tent at any given time. It throws an alarm as well, like if the humidity is going too low, too high, and things like that. But yeah, that's for the most part. I can show you a couple of interesting plants here. Like these are all helium for us. They're South American pitcher plants. Beautiful. They're carnivorous in nature, but in the tent they barely get any food. So I instead use like fertilizers, very dilute fertilizers for them. And they almost all carnivorous plants need to be watered with RO or distilled water, so the water is very clean. Then these are more tropical pitcher plants, or like Nepenthes. Most are native to Asia. You can see more tubby ones. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.